In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a channel on Telegram, whether a private or a public channel. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how you can create a group on Telegram. So this is on channel. So to create a channel, you just need to tap on the pencil button here. I tap on that and you can see new channel. So let me tap on the new channel here. So what is a channel? Let's tap on the create channel and let's give the channel a name. So just like we do always, the name of our channel. YouTube channel. So Keyboard Tech, you can add descriptions if you want to, you can add emojis and the rest. And let me come here, let me drag this down here, let me tap on this, so you can choose to make it a public or a private. So with private, you have to generate your link and send it to them. With public, they can search and find it. So let me make it public and let me add a link. So let me do it, Keyboard. Let me add the tech. So this is okay, so this link is already taken. So let me add one, I think for the group, I think I first created. Good, so I just need to add somebody. So I add this friend of mine and then, yes, so you can see my group has been created. So I can send the invite link to the person I added because he's saying he has restricted people from adding them to a channel. So I've sent the link to him. So now let me come here, let me show you guys how you can get your Telegram group link. So you can come here like this and then you copy your link. When you tap on your link, you tap, let me do it once again, tap on your link like this and then you tap on the copy, you get it and you're good to go. And this is a QR code of your group as well, so you can copy it and then you can print it out and paste it somewhere for people to join the channel as well. You can add administrator by doing this. You can add a new person that you want them to be an administrator of the channel. Channel settings, you can tap on this here. You can see you can remove people, you can check your statistics and the rest. You can do a lot here. You can also delete your channel here. You can see the delete here. So when you move to your channel settings, you're going to find a lot here. So that's it on how you can create a Telegram channel. Very much simple and easy. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.